We own Old Soul Woodworking in Monroeville. We primarily do home decor and gifts, and definitely walk through the seasons with our customers together. Something that makes Old Soul different and is definitely part of our entrepreneurial story is that the things that we carry in the store are made here and locally. So this is, Andrew in his workshop, our boys helping, me finishing, us arranging. It is here and
made with pride.
Made with pride. So Andrew and I started working out in the garage, in the workshop. We started doing a bunch of craft festivals. And long story short, that little bud of a business just blossomed and blossomed to the point where I was able to resign from my safe job and just jump into our family business, and here we are. So as the business continued to grow and expand, we started out in a rented space in town, and then we got the courage to do something bold. And I'm gonna give Andrew all the credit for this because he was the one that said, what do you think about renovating some buildings downtown, bringing life back to the village? We saw a need. A lot of the buildings were in disrepair, and now where we're standing is our space. It is just a place where we can put down really wonderful, solid roots, and we can continue to expand and just make our downtown feel vibrant again.
Just looking at the transformation of not only the building, but the town as a whole, seeing people walking up and down the streets holding bags of books and things from the farmer's market and things from the boutique, and just being able to look out our front window next door and seeing liveliness and seeing happiness in the village has just been amazing.
Being an entrepreneur is hard, but it is amazing. The thing that I would say for anybody who might be looking at this is to, number one, put your heart into it. Don't try to be cookie cutter or generic or copy something that somebody else is doing, because that's not going to work. You need to be authentic to you because people will feel that heart, but you also have to be able to pivot. I mean, we opened 6 months before COVID started, and a lot of businesses didn't make it through, but we've been able to pivot, and that has really kept us here. So I'd say you got to get after it, but be true to who you are.
We have so many people to thank, including our families and friends.
Annette, she works so hard for us and just pours her heart into pieces. Gosh, I feel like there's so many, but also this is a community effort. So yes, our family is huge. We could not do this without our families being involved and all those wonderful people, but also our community, the people who show up, they come out, they come to our events, they share things on social media. This isn't just Andrew and Elisa. This is really a testimony to all of them, and I'm gonna throw it in there because faith is so important to my heart. This is all glory to God.